Are you stuck at a crossroads, unsure which path to take? Making decisions can be tough, especially when confusion clouds your mind. Today we'll explore how to cut through the fog and make the right choice with confidence. Welcome to Limitless Living, where we empower you to live your best life. If you're feeling confused about a big decision, stick around. We've got some helpful tips for you. 1. Define your priorities. Start by identifying what's most important to you. What are your values, goals, and needs? Knowing what matters most will guide you toward a decision that aligns with your true self. Write down your priorities to gain clarity and focus. 2. Gather information. Sometimes confusion stems from a lack of information. Do your research and gather as much relevant information as possible about your options. Understanding the pros and cons will help you see the situation more clearly. 3. Listen to your intuition. Your gut feeling often knows what's best for you. Take a moment to pause and listen to your intuition. What does your inner voice say about each option? Trusting yourself can lead to decisions that resonate with your true desires. 4. Consider the long-term impact. Think about how each choice will affect your life in the long run. Will this decision help you grow and move toward your goals, or will it hold you back? Visualizing the future impact can provide valuable insights into the right path to take. 5. Seek advice and perspective. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance from trusted friends, family, or mentors. They might offer a perspective you hadn't considered. However, remember that the final decision is yours to make. Use their insights to enhance your understanding. Making decisions doesn't have to be overwhelming. By defining your priorities, gathering information, trusting your intuition, considering the long-term impact, and seeking advice, you can confidently choose the path that's right for you. If this video helped clarify your decision-making process, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on personal growth. Share your decision-making strategies in the comments below. Let's learn from each other.